sparks on quiet streets, two hearts finding where to meet. But life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. If I called you tonight, would it feel the same? Or have we both moved on to different names? Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars, when the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start.
Hi folks, in today's video we're out and about again. We are back in Norfolk and we are trying out a new tent. I'm out and about with my family today. We're trying out a new tent. It's a Eurohike Sendero. It's an 8-berth tent. I'll give you a show about that in a bit. And the campsite we're at today is a lovely little campsite here in Norfolk. It's called Dreamy Hollow, with a lot of history about it. It's actually an ex-MOD Ministry of Defence site from World War I. There's plenty of training trenches, lots of history about the place. I like it here because it's quite close vicinity to where I grew up as a child in Snettisham. So yeah, first things first, we're going to have a look about the tent, but also as well we're going to be cooking a chilli in a Dutch oven, as you can see here. So yeah, as I say, I'm out with my family today. I'm out with my partner Jennifer. So yeah, say hello Jen.
Hello.
So yeah, follow us along for the for this video. I'll see you in a bit then guys. Alright, ta-da. Yeah, so the actual tenting guys is as you can see, it's a Eurohike Sendero 8XL. Yeah, and to be honest, I mean it is a beast of a tent. Yeah, it's 8-berth. It's what they say is 8 people, but we all know 8-berth to live comfortable. But for us, for 4 people, it's fantastic. I'll give you a little tour around inside. So as you say, as you walk in, you have a living room compartment, which we're pretty much using as storage. You have 2 bedrooms each side. That's mine and my partner's, Jen's, which is nice and spacious. As you can see, we've got a nice, big, massive double bed. Lots of space. Not so much space for storing stuff, but for a big double bed, blow-up bed, perfect. And of course, when you go on this side, and you've got to excuse the state of the place, with typical teenage lads. Say hello, Macaulay, that's my son. And this is Thomas, this is Jen's boy. And as you can see, they're quite happy in here, nice and spacious. You can even stand up in here. Great tent. So yeah, for a budget tent, for a family budget tent, I got it from Go Outdoors, cost about 200 quid. I have members, but as I say, great tent. Absolute beast of a tent.
Yes, one.
Right guys, let's crack on with the chilli in the Dutch oven. Got the Dutch oven warming up. It's been warming up for about an hour over the fire. Let's crack on with this then. Let's prep up the veg. Let's get it on. What are you sticking in there, Corley?
Chopped tomatoes.
Get in there, lad. Open up, top bit. No, use the lid. The lid's got a pointy bit.
Oh yeah.
Gonna bang it in there.
Dump all of it in.
No, not worry, just a good old squeeze.
Nice.
That's it, good lad. A bit more, a bit more. Good lad.
Time.
Time. You gonna
Time.
stick all that in there?
Yep.
You know why you put that in there?
I've got a clue.
You've got all the time in the world, mate.
Paprika.
Paprika, stick it in there, mate. That'll do. I think you went overkill on that. Jesus.
What is this?
Chilli powder.
Chilli powder.
Get it in there, lad.
All of it?
Yep. Stick it all in there. What are you going to do now?
The last one.
No.
Stir it.
Stir it,
Stir it.
and then stick the lid on it.
Okay.
Looking alright, isn't it? Getting a bit thick now, isn't it? Stick a splash of water in it. Just a splash of water.
It's just a splash of water.
Yeah.
Oh, that's all water. Some of this?
Yeah, just a splash.
Just a splash. How much? Tell me in stock.
That will do. Yeah, plenty. You can stick the lid on it.
Do you want me to stir it first?
Yeah, give it a stir. Get round it. All the nooks and crannies. All these bits, give them a good stir.
Both of us knowing what a lie that. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. If only for a moment. If only for a moment. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm.
Well, you're probably wondering why I'm sat in my car talking to you, because it's still quite early in the morning. My family's fast asleep. Fellow campers, all asleep. So I didn't want to disturb anybody, so I thought probably the best thing is come and sit in my car and talk to you guys and just give you a few more details about the tent before we end the video. Yeah, so the tent, fantastic. The weather, to be fair, has been okay. We've not really had any rain. It's not really been all that windy. Yeah, so that's not really been tested to the max, really. But condensation wise, there was a little bit of moisture on the roof of the tent, but that could have been my fault. I can't remember if I opened the vents or not. But for 4 people in the tent, it's actually all right. Yeah, it's hardly got. It's not like massive puddles on the floor of everything soaking wet. Everything's bone dry in there. So yeah, if you're after a budget family tent, I would highly recommend this tent. Anyway, guys, the campsite. So the campsite's called Dreamy Hollow. It's situated between the 2 villages of Dorkin, I think you pronounce it, and Stanhoe here in Norfolk. It's about 5, 6, 7 miles away from Snetcham, a bit further to Hunstanton. Yeah, so it is in the middle of nowhere. They have got a shop on site, but I'm not sure what they sell. I imagine be the basics, what you normally get, milk and what have you. But as I say, I've not been in, so I can't really tell you. But yeah, I've been coming to this site on and off now for the last 15, 20 years. I absolutely love it here. The wardens are fantastic. They'll do anything for you. All I will say is though, they don't allow speaker music. So yeah, if you're planning on having a trip with like having a bit of a party with your pals and you want to put some tunes on, it's probably going to be the campsite for you guys. But it's nice just to sit out in the nature, yeah, and just a bit of peace and quiet, really. So if that's your bag, then I would definitely highly recommend. I will put a link to their website in the description below. Anyway, guys, that is going to be me for this video. I want to go now and start wrapping up. We're going to wrap up slowly. I don't have to be off site now till 12. But yeah, I'm planning to leave about 11ish. So there's a lot of gear to pack up. So yeah, anyway guys, yeah, so that's going to do me for this one. Hope you liked the video. found it interesting, what have you, and I shall see you on the next one. Alright guys, see you later. Ta-da.
Take me